okay? So here we go. It's a right turn, so you're gonna be getting a right turn signal up, okay? See the merging lane and the car coming out. So slow it down a little bit more. They're waiting for that left car to be clear. Okay, keep going. Bad driver. So we got a red light. We have to stop at the white line first. That means that the traffic to the left has the green light. So we look left. Pull forward little by little as you turn in. Anybody coming from the left? Keep moving forward. Let go of the brake a little bit more. I don't see anybody. Go for it. Little gas. And you're turning. Looking down to the ground. Don't overturn. Back to the left. Gas. There you go. Keep going at 35. Build it up. Now it's going to be another right turn at that next light coming up. Okay. That's the student brake helping you out. Keep going. Nice and straight though. See how the car is going over that white line? Right there. Keep going. Look at your speed. Where you at?
30.
30. So give it a little bit more. You got 35 on this road. Nice. Okay. Light just turned green on you. So that means that, number one, you are going to check for pedestrians, okay? And you're going to put your turn signal to the right. Good. So they're all gone because they don't see you close. All right, so since we're stopping, look for the white line. Stay close to the white line because you know that that's where the right lane is going to be. All right, fully stopping at our very faded line. So pull up little by little. Hug the curve. Start turning a little bit with that curve. And we see, I can't really see past that car. So pull up a little bit more. Nobody else, right? Go for it. Follow the curve, gas, look down to the ground. Don't overturn. Look down to the ground. There you go. A little close left. Bring it back. There you go. So keep going straight. Look at the white line. Look at the space. Watch the green light. It's a stale light. It's been green for a while. So at this point, we would just keep it moving because we don't have enough space to stop. All right. Keep going to the next light. Give it a little bit more gas. You're right under 30. Okay, so we're making this right turn. So last time it was a little wide, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna keep our eyes on that curve. That's how we know to keep turning. So here we go. We're slowing down. You're at 30, so slow down a little bit more. Look at where the white line ends. A little bit more brake, a little bit more brake, and let go of the brake. Turn. Hey, you waited too long to turn. Keep going. So as soon as the white line ends, you start that turn to the right. You start turning, okay? You're gonna do it again. So let's see, speed limit is 35. You got a curve. What's your speed limit?
Like 30.
You're right on 30. So remember that when you're turning to the right and you start to slow down, you gotta feel that slowdown. If you don't feel the slowdown, that means the car hasn't responded or you're not pushing enough, okay? So that's kind of what happened in that last turn. It was a little too fast, so then you needed more turning. For some reason you got stuck. You just kind of like got stuck with the to the right. But you want to keep turning when that does happen. Because that's how you fix a turn that's too fast. You keep turning to the right so that it stays in your lane, okay? So we're going to pass all this. We're making another right turn. Watch the space with the white line. Good. Good, good, good. Keep going. All right. At this point, we see that they're all stopped. So it's a red light. Maybe. They're moving. Green light. So turn signal to the right. All right. Follow that curve. You are at 15. No more brake because you're pretty far. Keep moving. He's going because he sees you far. Look at the curve. Look at the curve. Look at the curve. Good. Bring it back. Bring it back. There you go. Keep going. That was a good turn. There you go. Follow. There you go.
No, I'm under 30.
It looks good. Keep going. And like I said, these right turns are the hardest to get. So that's why we do them so much. Because when you already start getting your eyes used to looking down, 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 and following that curve, that's when you kind of like already start to kick in with it. So you're gonna be fine. All right, so we're making that right turn again. Hopefully no crazy drivers coming out of the gas station. Okay, with a green light, don't forget to check for your pedestrians. All right, so we have to turn signal, we have to slow down to stop. And with the red light, traffic law says you must come to a complete stop, look to see who has green, and if there is no